Hello everyone. Today we're looking at the generic NB.Q5X11.001 motherboard, a replacement part designed for Acer Nitro 5 and 515-43 and 517-51 series laptops. This motherboard comes with an integrated AMD Ryzen 5 500U processor clocked at 2.1 GHz. This is a quad-core CPU, which should offer a decent balance between power and efficiency for everyday tasks and some more demanding applications. The graphics are handled by a dedicated AMD Radeon RX 560X with 4 GB of GDDR5 memory. This GPU should provide a noticeable boost in gaming performance compared to integrated graphic solutions, allowing you to play many modern games at reasonable settings. This motherboard supports DDR4 RAM with a memory clock speed of 2,400 MHz. DDR4 is the current standard for laptop memory, offering faster speeds and lower power consumption compared to older standards. The chipset type is SoC, or System on a Chip, meaning many of the core components are integrated directly onto the motherboard for increased efficiency and a more compact design. This replacement motherboard is specifically designed for the Acer Nitro 5 and 515-43 and 517-51 series. If you're experiencing issues with your current motherboard or are looking to upgrade, this could be a viable option. However, always double-check compatibility with your specific laptop model before purchasing. Replacing a motherboard can be a complex task, so professional installation is recommended if you're not comfortable working with laptop hardware.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.